No, ma'am.
Aykar, now can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
आयकर अगर कंडक्टर का लेंथ ज्यादा है तो इसका मतलब उसमें आने वाली रुकावटें भी ज्यादा हो जाएंगी, हिंड्रेंस ज्यादा हो जाएगा, तो रेजिस्टेंस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू लेंथ. बट
Yes,
इफ
ma'am.
एरिया ऑफ कंडक्टर इज मोर, एरिया कंडक्टर का ज्यादा हो गया, देन रेजिस्टेंस विल बी डाउन. आर यू ओके विद
You,
दिस?
ma'am.
क्योंकि देखो यहाँ सीधी जगह नहीं मिल रही, इधर से चला गया, उधर से चला गया. It can get more path to move if area is more.
Okay.
That's why resistance proportional to L upon A, मतलब resistance is directly proportional to length of conductor, inversely proportional to area of conductor, so R proportional to L upon A. इस proportionality के साइन को हटाने के लिए we will apply a constant that is rho L upon A.
मैम रो क्या है?
रो proportionality sign को हटाने के लिए we have to apply a constant. So here this constant is rho, spelling is RH, इसका pronunciation है rho, and it is known as specific resistance. It is known as
Specific resistance.
specific resistance. आएगा, देखो मेरे पास में ध्यान से, R is equal to rho L upon A, I told you. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then rho will become R A upon L.
Yes, ma'am.
Rho will become unit of R is area is square meter, length is meter. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
meter meter will be cancelled out, so the unit of the specific resistance will become
O minus.
Are you okay with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start to read from here. It is observed
that the ammeter reading decreases to 1/2 when the length of the wire is doubled. The ammeter readings is increased when a thicker wire of the same material and the same length is used in the circuit. A change in ammeter reading is observed when a wire of different material of the same length and the same area of cross section is used. On applying Ohm's law, we observe that the resistance of the conductor depends on its length, on its area of cross section, and on the nature of its material. Precise measurements have shown that resistance of a uniform metallic conductor is directly proportional to its length and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. That is,
wait. देखो, it is observed that the ammeter reading decreases. कितना हो गया? 1/2. When it is 1/2? When the length of the wire is
decreased.
Double. Ammeter reading decreases means क्या हुआ इधर? Resistance is directly proportional to length. If length is more, it means resistance is more. And
Yes,
if
ma'am.
resistance is more, it means current is decreased.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what they are saying here. Ammeter reading is decreased when resistance is more.
तो मैम दैट मीन्स आर जो है वो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू करंट है.
हाँ, R ज्यादा करंट कम, R
और R
कम होगा तो करंट ज्यादा होगा.
ओके. और R डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू L.
तो ये तो बोल रहे हैं कि अगर लेंथ ऑफ द वायर डबल कर दी ना, तो इसका मतलब रेजिस्टेंस भी बढ़ गया. रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ गया तो करंट कम हो गया.
अच्छा.
एंड द एमीटर रीडिंग इज इंक्रीज्ड व्हेन द थिकर वायर मतलब क्या हो गया? मोटा वायर मींस एरिया इज इंक्रीज्ड of the same material and of the same length, so the
Okay,
And the
ma'am.
same thing is observed when a wire of different material, same length है, same area, but material is different.
मैम एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन मतलब
एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन सिंपल, जैसे ये हम कंडक्टर यूज कर रहे हैं इस टाइप,
ओके
this is useful. On applying force, we observe that the resistance of conductor depends on its length or its area of cross section. And third thing, on the nature of the material. जैसे observe conductor, तो उसमें कंडक्टिविटी ज्यादा रहेगी, इससे ये निकल कर आए R L R upon A, R L upon A, R is equal to rho, F upon D. Rho is Planck's constant of conductivity, and it is called electrical resistivity of the medium. Okay.
यस
SI
मैम
unit I already explained, its SI unit is meter. Clear? And also it is
यस मैम
characteristic property of the material. Characteristic property of the material is it is fixed. The metals and alloys have no resistivity in the range of 10 to the power minus 8. 10 to the power minus 8. No resistivity. They are not conductors of electricity. Insulators like rubber and glass have resistivity of the order this one, high resistivity, bad conductor of electricity. And the most probably resistance and resistivity vary with temperature.
मैम रेजिस्टिविटी है क्या एक तरीके से
Resistivity is proportionality constant rho. ये कहा था ना मैं R proportional to L upon A.
हाँ मैम
Proportionality sign we have to give a constant. तुम्हें याद है जैसे हम पेन्स के क्वेश्चन पढ़ते थे कि मतलब साइड्स का रेशियो 3:5 है. So we will write in this way sides 3x plus 5x.
यस मैम
या लीनियर पेयर है सपोज, उनका रेशियो 3:5 का है, 3x plus 5x is equal to 180.
हाँ
We apply this one in physics to remove the proportionality sign, we give a constant. Here it is rho, which is known as specific resistivity, and it is characteristic of characteristic nature of fixed component. If conductors, then low resistivity, if insulators, high resistivity.
ओके मैम
Clear हो गया?
हाँ मैम
Resistivity of an alloy is generally higher than that of its constituent. Why? Alloys do not oxidize but readily at high temperature. Okay? Resistivity ज़्यादा है, reaction की speed कम है.
ओके
That's why they are commonly used in electrical heating devices. I told you that when resistivity is greater than 50,
हाँ
इसलिए जो अगर हमें हीटिंग इफेक्ट चाहिए लाइक इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन एंड पोर्सलेन, their alloys are used.
ओके मैम
Because resistivity high and they will have more heating effect. Tungsten is used almost exclusively for filaments of electric bulbs. Tungsten electric bulb used होता है. Whereas copper and aluminium are generally used for electrocuted glass filaments. Okay, इनसे क्या हमें electricity होती है.
मैम इलेक्ट्रिकल ट्रांसमिशन लाइंस क्या होते हैं
ये जो लाइट में आप बोल रहे हो, ये वायर
हाँ
वायर तो आती है, दिस वन,
अच्छा
ये
ओके
ट्रांसमिशन लाइन, मतलब इसमें मुझे क्या है, केवल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रांसमिट करनी है.
ओके
Here copper and aluminium are used. अब क्या है, जैसे बल्ब है उसमें टंगस्टन, जिससे क्लियर हो गया?
यस मैम।
तो देखो यहाँ पे कुछ मटेरियल्स की रेजिस्टिविटी दी है, नो नीड टू लर्न, ओनली यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट द रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ कंडक्टर्स वेरी लो then alloys, and after that for insulators it is very high. You need not memorize these values, you can use these values for solving numerical problems. ये लर्न नहीं करनी है। right sir? Now example 12.3.
How much current will an electric bulb draw from a 220 volt source if the resistance of the bulb filament is 1200 ohm? How much current will an electric heater coil draw from a 220 volt source if the resistance of the heater coil is 100 ohm?
How much means what is asked here?
मैम करंट मैम पूछा है।
Means I is equal to question mark. After that
मैम V दे रखा है
कितना?
220।
After that
मैम रेजिस्टेंस दे रखा है 1200 ओम।
now what you will do?
मैम
What is the formula?
I is equal to B by Q.
No. Here your formula is not correct. I is equal to B by Q. I is equal to Q by T.
अच्छा हाँ sorry.
But here we will apply the formula according to Ohm's law. In Ohm's law we apply these three things, these three values.
तो मैम I is equal to volt by resistance.
I is because V is equal to IR.
हाँ.
V upon I is equal to R. So I will become V upon R. Now calculate the value.
मैम 11/60 आ रहा है। 11/60 आ रहा है।
11/60. Convert it into
decimal.
decimal.
मैम अगर मैं 6 से अभी 0 निकालती हूँ तो डेसिमल पॉइंट 11 के बाद लगेगा ना? 1 के बाद?
हाँ,
कैसे मैम?
ओके नहीं है।
हाँ
करेक्ट।
मैम 1.8 तक ले सकते हैं या फिर उससे आगे करना है?
It is sufficient.
ओके तो मैम 1.8 होगा।
1.8 हो गया। No, it is 16. 10 is remaining from denominator.
डिनोमिनेटर?
डिनोमिनेटर में 60 था ना,
हाँ, तो फिर 1 0 उसमें लग जाएगा।
तो क्या आएगा फाइनल आंसर?
1.80।
वेट, you got 1.8, correct?
हाँ,
But in denominator 0 is still
अच्छा
remaining.
हम तो फिर मैम 0 पॉइंट का चेंज हो जाएगा।
0.18, getting
यस मैम।
ampere. Ampere,
मैम एम्पियर क्यों लगाया हमने?
because we are calculating
मैम करंट निकाल
unit of current is
हाउ मच करंट निकाल रहा हूँ।
and unit of current is
एम्पियर।
that's
ओके।
same thing you have to do. Firstly read the question. B.
How much current will an electric heater coil draw from a 220V source if the resistance of the heater coil is 100 ohm? मैम इसमें आई दे रखा है, नहीं आई निकालना है। मैम वोल्ट दे रखा है 220 वोल्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस भी है मैम 100 ओम।
And which formula will be applied here?
I is equal to V by R.
V by R. Are you applying?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2.2A.
Very good. Aika, so here we can observe the difference. For bulb filament, itna resistance 1200 ohm and then current is 0.18 ampere.
Yes, ma'am.
And for electric heater, electric coil, volt
2.2A.
means resistance 100 ohm and current is 2.2 ampere. You can observe the difference in current.
Yes, ma'am.
Example 12.2.
The potential difference between the terminals of an electric heater is 60 volt. When it draws a current of 4 ampere from the source, what current will the heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120 volt? मैम इसमें पहले वोल्ट दे रखा है 60 और एम्पियर मैम करंट दे रखा है 4
ampere current. Next,
then मैम पूछा है I.
when potential
If
difference
the potential difference is increased to 120 volt. तो मैम इसमें कैसे निकाले?
Aika, by this you can calculate the resistance.
Yes, ma'am.
Resistance is equal to V upon I.
V upon I. एक मिनट मैम, हाँ मैम, V upon I.
So 60 upon 4, 15 ohm.
Yes, ma'am.
And now apply this value, calculate this current.
मैम तो रेसिस्टेंस चेंज नहीं होगा?
नहीं होगा. That's what we have done in Ohm's law. V upon I, constant ratio. We have done the activity also.
Okay. मैम तो 8 एम्पियर आ जाएगा.
आ गया. वेरी गुड.
यही तो निकालना था.
हाँ, यही करना था. We have to calculate the current. 12.5 आएगा.
Resistance of a metal wire of length 1 meter is 26 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius. If the diameter of the wire is 0.3 mm, what will be the resistivity of the metal at that temperature? Using table 11.2, predict the material of the wire.
We will do this one later. Firstly, calculate. Start to collect the information. What is given?
मैम दिया है. मैम लेंथ दिया है मैम.
Start to write with me. Length is
1 meter.
1 meter. After that,
मैम रेजिस्टेंस दे रखा है 26 ओम.
very good. Next,
मैम टेम्परेचर दिया है.
temperature, but no role of temperature in the formula. In specific resistivity, it has role, but no role in formula. Next,
मैम डायमीटर दिया है
diameter is
0.3 mm.
how to convert in meter? By
multiplying it by 100.
like that. 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon
1000.
So means it can be converted into meter by dividing it by
1000.
1000. What is the formula for area?
फॉर्मूला फॉर एरिया? कौन सा एरिया?
सर्कल बनते ना एक. अगर आप देखो जो वायर होता है इसका क्रॉस सेक्शन सर्कुलर फॉर्म में होता है.
हाँ. मैम इसका एरिया
पाई आर स्क्वायर होता है.
हाँ.
एरिया ऑफ सर्कल.
यस मैम पाई आर स्क्वायर.
And radius is half of d.
डायमीटर.
So it will become pi d square by 4.
हाँ मैम.
And what is the formula for specific resistivity? Rho is
स्पेसिफिक
R A upon L.
ए अपॉन एल कैसे?
बताया था मैंने कि जो रेजिस्टेंस डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू L, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू A, फिर इसका प्रोपोर्शनल साइन डालने के लिए rho will become R A upon L.
Okay.
Start to put the values. Either do practice beta. R will become
और 26 now.
26 ohm given. Area become
Pi d square by 4.
pi d square मतलब 0.3 upon 1000
upon 4.
upon 4. Next, in denominator,
L ma'am. 1 ma'am.
1. You have to calculate this one.
मैम ये कैसे कैलकुलेट करूँ?
देखो 26 ले लो, पाई का वैल्यू 22/7, 0.3 0.3 into 4 into 1000 into 1000.
मैम आपने 1000 नीचे क्यों ले लिया?
1000 नीचे क्यों ले लिया? क्योंकि देखो
हाँ।
ये ऐसा था ना, हम मिलीमीटर से मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे थे, तो 0.3 upon 1000 एंड 0.3 upon 1000 था ना।
तो मैम वो न्यूमरेटर में नहीं आ जाएगा 0.3?
ए यहाँ ऑलरेडी न्यूमरेटर में है, अगर ए डिनोमिनेटर में होता देन वी हैव टू चेंज। अगर ये डायरेक्ट न्यूमरेटर में तो वी विल राइट एज इट इज।
ओके।
Aika, you will solve it as your homework because it will take a lot of time. Another tip
Yes,
is that
ma'am.
after calculating the value, match it with the specific resistivity table that which material is provided here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now do this one. This one is very simple. Aika, you have to do this one. Don't say I forget, I didn't get time. You have to do. Now, example 12.5. Read.
A wire of given material having length L and area of cross section A has a resistance of 4 ohm. What would be the resistance of another wire of the same material having length L by 2 and area of cross section 2A?
Think about it.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Just try to explain me how are you.
मैम लेंथ दिया है, that is L. Area is A.
Area
R
okay.
R is 4 ohm.
Sorry, it's diameter. Length is L1 is given L, area is given A,
And resistance is given 4 ohm.
4 ohm.
Ma'am, then they are asking about resistance, ma'am, which is having the length L by 2 and area is 2A.
Now stop it. It's very simple.
मैम फॉर्मूला क्या था मैम? रो इज इक्वल टू
R is equal to rho L upon A. रो इन्होंने वर्ड यूज किया है सेम मटेरियल,
यस मैम.
so rho will be the constant, means firstly you will apply R1 is equal to rho L1 upon A1, R2 is equal to rho L2 upon Are you solving? So for
Yes.
first part, it will become
4 ohm is equal to rho L upon A.
4 ohm is equal to rho, very good, L upon A. Now for second part, R2 is equal to
R2 R2 मैम निकालना है.
just like that. What is the value
Ma'am.
for L2?
L2 L by 2.
Very good. And A2?
2A.
2A. What is the value for rho L upon A?
L upon
Rho L upon A. From the first equation, rho L upon A is equal to
मैम मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
बेटा ये ऐसा बन गया ना, R2 is equal to rho L upon 2A.
4A क्यों मैम? 2A था ना.
हाँ, 2 to the 4. लेंथ हाफ हुआ था उसका 2 एंड एरिया इज डबल उसका 2.
ये 2 कहाँ से आया मैम?
कौन सा 2?
मैम जो एरिया दिया था मैम वो तो 2A था.
हाँ, तो देखो लेंथ तो हाफ हुआ था, तो लेंथ की जगह आई विल राइट L by 2.
हाँ L by 2.
एंड एरिया क्या हुआ था? डबल हुआ था.
ओके मैम मैंने न्यूमरेटर में ही लिख दिया था मैम 2.
No. It is with A. It will be written in denominator.
ओके तो 4A मैम.
Sorry.
मैम रो L upon 4A हुआ.
हाँ, रो L upon 4A. और रो L upon A का वैल्यू कितना है?
L upon
रो L upon A का वैल्यू कितना है?
4 ohm.
4 ohm. तो it means 4 by 4. इसका वैल्यू 4 है. And in denominator we
Yes,
are having 4.
Yes ma'am.
So 4 upon 4 will become
1.
Are you okay with it?
Yes ma'am.
You have to practice hard, Ayuka. This question is really very simple, but its concept is new. On what factors does the resistance of a conductor depends?
Ma'am length,
Length of the conductor, very good.
area,
Area of the conductor, very good.
ma'am material.
Material, very good.
और तो मैम हो गया मैम 3 फैक्टर्स दिए थे.
Temperature. Okay.
टेम्परेचर मैम इन्होंने तो बस लेंथ एरिया और मटेरियल दिया है.
But temperature I told that on the temperature they have given temperature also. Some substances at temperature 20 degrees. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. So Aika, that's all for today's class. One, you have to revise all these things. Okay. And
Yes, ma'am.
And one numerical, the calculation of one numerical you have to do for 25. This is your homework for 11th. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.